Okay, this problem is number 3 and 6.3 in Mr. McKeague's book still. Okay, it's a mixture problem. A solution of alcohol and water is 80% alcohol. Sorry about the glare. The solution is found to contain 32 milliliters of alcohol. That's our information that they've given us. So we want to take the information, sorry about the glare, and then put it into a problem. And this is what we want to find out. This is how we're going to set up our problem. How many, that's our unknown, milliliters, both alcohol and water, are in the solution? So we need to read the problem a couple of times and think, what is it asking us? How can I write it in math? Now, if you would prefer, you can do this whatever way works for you. Just be very consistent, and then your scores will be, they'll reveal that. So what we're going to do is we're going to say how many milliliters, both alcohol and water, are in the solution. So I'm going to say 32 milliliters. This is part of what we have to find out. 32 milliliters. And we need to know it's 80%. 32 milliliters is 80% of our own known. So we could say, what is 80%? No, 32 is what percent? 32 is 80% of what? So let's write that. 32 is 80% of what number? What amount? Okay, 32 milliliters of alcohol. That's how much alcohol is in it. And that's 80% of the solution. So it would be correct to say 32 is 80% of what number? So now we need to isolate n. We're going to divide out. Okay, and then do the math. So 80% goes into 80%. All right, and we have just one time. So we have 1n. N is equal to 0.8 goes into 32. That's going to be 0.4. But we're looking for not percent, but milliliters, and it's going to be 40. Milliliters. With chocolate raspberry coffee and blonde coffee. All right, so questions, put them down below. This, we want to know 32 is 80% of what number? And this is going to be 40 because of the percent. 80%. 32 is 80% of 40. And you can rework the problem backward to check your work. Is 32 80% of 40? So you could write a whole new problem. What is 80% of 40? Work that problem and get 32 to check your work.